Yes, you guys read that right. This is the only Forex trading video you guys are going to need. This is for beginners, anyone who is really kind of struggling to get to the next level as a trader. I want to go over some basics in this video with you. And right now I'm actually looking at the Bitcoin chart right here. I'm looking at the hour one chart, and I want to go over some things with you guys. When you are trading, there are a couple of things that you need to figure out about yourself. First off, what kind of trader are you? Are you a scalp trader or are you a swing trader? Now, if you don't know what a scalp trader is, a scalp trader is trading on more short-term time frames like the minute 15, the minute 30, the hour 1, and swing trading is more long-term trading. We're trading on higher time frames like the hour 4, the day 1, and the weekly time frame. So that's the first thing that you guys need to understand is what type of trader are you? And let me add in, with scalp trading, we're usually holding these trades for a couple of hours. We're not holding them for days at a time, weeks at a time. So when we're trading, we're usually going to be using smaller time frames, like I said, and as well with that, we're catching a certain amount of pips. So when we're trading on smaller time frames, we're probably going to be going for about 20 to 50 pips when we are trading. And then when we're trading as swing traders on higher time frames, that's what I am personally. I'm a swing trader, but I scalp the market sometimes as well. But when we're swing trading, what we're doing is we're going for about 100 plus pips a trade. And obviously you guys are going to have to do some back testing if you're going to figure out whether you're a scalp trader and a swing trader. And like I said, if you are more on the new side, just test it out. You guys don't need to focus on making money. And that's what too many people do when they're first starting to trade is they focus on making money. They see somebody else's success and they immediately judge it to their success. They're like, all right, well, so you need to realize that everyone's learning curve is different. Sorry for the lag on my computer, guys. Just ignore that. But everyone's learning curve is different. You guys need to understand that. And I don't want you guys to focus on just making money. That's what so many people focus on when they're first starting to trade. And when they don't make money, they get emotional. They don't feel like trading is for them. All that BS. Like, don't follow that stuff, guys. So find out which type of trader you are. Another thing that you guys should be doing is figuring out what sessions you are going to trade. So every morning, this is the PST time zone, so you have to correlate it with your time zone. But every morning at 5 a.m. to 11 a.m., we have the New York session. So more pairs with USD in it are going to be moving during the session. And then at 11 p.m. to 5 a.m., we have the London session. So more pairs with like GBP, AUD, more foreign pairs like that are going to be moving during that session. So that's what you guys also need to figure out is what sessions are you going to be trading. And my mentor told me this. He said if there's no session, there's no trade. If there's no setup, there is no trade. And that's what I also want to go over with you guys is when you are trading, you need to make sure there's a setup. I'm going to show you guys right now. This is one of the easiest strategies that you guys can use as traders, and it's basically finding the market formations. So you guys can see right here, I'm going to get my brush, draw it out. You guys can see right here that we have a M pattern right here. Every time that we have an M pattern like that form, that's telling us the market is going to be a sell. You guys can see it came up to resistance, back down to support, back up to previous resistance that we had to the left, and then boom, look at the market how it dropped all the way down to previous resistance that later became support. Now I want you guys to also look at this. We have a W pattern right here. So every time that we have a W pattern, that means that it's going to be a buy market. And whenever we have an M pattern, that means it's going to be a sell market. You guys, we could have seen this W pattern and we actually caught this buy on Bitcoin. I caught this buy last night. I'm going to show you guys my results so you guys know I'm not capping out here. Quick $300 was made. And I gave this signal to my team as well. We kind of caught it a little late, but I was looking at the hour one chart and I was like, all right, well, we have a W pattern forming right here. We do have a doji right there that's symbolizing the market is going to reverse at any point in time. And boom, the market completely shot up and it still continued to go up as well. So like I said, guys, if there's no setup, there's no trade. So many people, they're forcing setups. They're forcing these trades when they aren't even there. And I highly suggest that you guys do not do that. Just be patient. Understand the trades are gonna happen. There are setups every single day. You guys could have caught this sell right here, caught hundreds of pips. Could have caught this buy, caught hundreds of pips. My team, we caught 100 90 pips off this setup. You guys can see I was doing a 10-cent lot right there, and I made $190 profit just on one position. So that's 190 pips right there we caught just on this setup on Bitcoin right here. And if you guys are looking to trade on the cryptos, I do have a video on how to open up a trading account with Hugo's Way. That is the broker that we use for cryptos. And you guys, I hope you got some value from this video. This is just some basic stuff, but this stuff might help you guys out. It should help you guys out. And I know so many people, they are trying all these different strategies. Just focus on making it as simple as possible. Because when you're trying to overthink things, you're trying to force a trade, stuff like that, it always doesn't go the way that you want it to go. So, guys, I appreciate you all subscribing to my channel, letting me bring value to you guys as much as I possibly can. And a lot of more informational videos like this are going to be done over the following days, the following weeks, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have not already subscribed, please make sure that you do. And as well with that, comment something below. I would love if you guys could give me a new topic to do. What video should I do next? Comment below and I might just choose your topic.